Hey guys, it's Maymay and it's time for our stamp club reveal for the month of February. And for the first time in the history of Maymay Made It, I have to do something that I have never ever wanted to do, but I have to do this. So we had a mistake in our graphics department. And what that mistake was is an email did not get sent on the right day. And when that happens in our department, which has never happened, it puts us behind. So technically, we would have been behind 4 days in shipping this stamp out. And I'm really sad about it. We're going to see the stamp in a second, but I want you to hear me. So instead of shipping today, it would have shipped Monday, which is terrible. And I never want that to happen. And we struggle so hard to make sure that doesn't happen. But you guys know that Mandy in my graphics department has had some things go on in her life and an email got missed, and we apologize. But to make things worse, we had a storm come through last night. So this morning we hear from our manufacturer, I'm sorry, but the road to our plant is flooded and it will be another day before we'll have it. So instead of having it Monday, it'll be Tuesday to ship out. I am so sorry. And to show you how sorry I am about this, this is what I'm going to do. For all club members, for the month of February, your club member discount will be 20% instead of 15%. That's the only thing I know to be able to give everybody an apology from us for this mess up, which I'm so heartbroken about. We've never had an issue where we've missed an email to approve ever. Okay, so I'm heartbroken. So I hope that will make up for it by giving you 20% off for the whole month. So instead of just your regular 15% discount, your code will be good for 20%. So when you put your code in, you'll get your 20%. You don't have to do anything fancy. Okay, now, what I did to be able to reveal to you what's coming anyway is I had Mandy print it to size for me. So she made me this little stamp set sized image for me to show you. And since I can't make samples, I did something else to show you. So I just pray that you guys will forgive us. It's just one of those things, and I'm mortified by it. It will never happen again, I promise, but I'm mortified by it. So, and when I say that it's never, we have been late before, like a day or so, never like this, and we've never been late because of an email situation. So that's what I'm talking about. Okay, enough waffling, right? You're ready. So this is our February set, which is so stinking cute, and I'm so sad it's not here because I have such good ideas for it. Are you ready for this? This set is tons of fun. It is so cute, guys. And when you get it, you're gonna love it. This little elephant guy is my new favorite friend. I swear he's the cutest thing in the world. So what you get is you get this flying elephant. And by the way, these must be 3 really good balloons, right? To float this little elephant guy in the air. He is so cute. This guy holds this little sign, which these sentiments fit inside of. We wanted to make sure they would fit. I'm pretty sure this one does too. I promise when I can do samples, I will show you that. And him swinging on the swing, are you kidding me? So here's the sentiments you're going to be getting. Sending tons of wishes. Thanks a ton for an unforgettable day. Okay, so you can use those together. I'm here for you. How cute is that? You make my heart soar. Love is in the air and age is our elephant. I love this one right here. It's so cute, right? So this is our little elephant guy. He also has this little envelope because we thought it would be cute if you took this little envelope and like put it in his hand and had the little looked like it came open while he was flying over. You could even put it in this guy's hand if you wanted to. It'd be cute. Now let me show you what I did to kind of give you an idea of what this will look like on samples, okay? I just printed another one of these and I colored it for you. So you can at least see what it's gonna look like when you start to play with it, okay? And to be honest with you, this may be something I start to do and just ink up my whole stamp set, stamp it, and then color it all at one time. I love how he turned out. So here's what you can expect. It's our understanding that this stamp set will be shipped to us on Tuesday, which means we'll get it on Wednesday. Today is Thursday, by the way, so you can know. So there's a weekend we have to go through. So when we get them on Wednesday, all production, everything stops at Maymay Made It, and these go in the mail to you. And again, our apology is to raise your discount for the month of February to 20%, and we just pray you can understand that. I'm so sorry. I never want this to happen, and I could sit here and talk for 20 minutes about how sorry I am about it, but we would just be waffling because I really, really am so sorry that this has happened. I just realized I forgot to tell you something though. That little bow, I'm sorry, I totally forgot. That little bow will fit on his little sprig of hair. So, and you can make it a girl if you put the little, either way you want to do it. It's too cute, right? So I did film myself coloring these guys. So when I make the samples with the real deal, I'll also add that coloring for you so you can see that in the video, because I think you'll enjoy seeing it. I tried to do him in 3 different looks. This one's a little darker. This one's a little not tan. He's not gray. He's more tan, and he's just more gray. So I did film all that, so I'll add that to my sample video when we get there. Thanks so much for your understanding. I hope that you will understand that. If you do have questions or concern, please email us at info, it's INFO, at maymaymadeit.com, and we'll do our best to help you with that and to try to explain our situation if you have more questions. Thank you again for being a club member and for understanding things happen, and I had no control over it. And Mandy, by the way, is beside herself. So just know that it was not intentional, and she's as heartbroken as I am. So thank you guys so much for being part of our club. And as you know, always, we have a giveaway. So once you get your stamp set and you make a project with it, if you post it on our customer gallery at maymaymadeit.com, you're entered to win a $50 gift card that's revealed the following month. And because of that, there'll be a giveaway winner in the description below, and I'll make sure to put that person there for you. So thanks so much for being a part of our club. We love you guys very much. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you again next time. Bye-bye.